See, she should go, I can be giggity. I can be good.
When I get home tomorrow, remind me to call that hospital. I said these appointments.
When you get home tomorrow, what hospital? You gotta go to the hospital?
Yeah, I go with echocardiogram.
Oh, okay.
They were supposed to call, but they didn't have it.
See, she says stuff like that, and
Huh?
cardiogram and everything else. I'm sitting there going, maybe it's not the best thing that I'm smoking in the house. Can't believe it's already freaking out. Yeah, I know.
It's not really dark. It's more or less a nice moonshine.
The only thing I'm gonna have a problem with, I think, is that
Pass me the great
blow-off
stuff.
valve line. I don't even think it's long enough to make it up to that one, even if I straighten it out.
Huh?
The blow-off valve line.
Don't that have a blow-off valve line?
That's on the side of it right there. This one's on the top. That one's on the side, but
365.
I mean, from this distance, it looks like it wouldn't reach, but it might. But either way,
Looks like it might
I'd have to still
overreach.
take that nipple off and I have
What blow-off? What?
the top valve, that blow-off valve, you
Yeah.
lift up, and it's pressure relief valve.
Well,
So if it gets too high of a pressure, that'll just pop automatically and let out the excess water.
oh, what's that doohickey left over there?
What am I looking at? This?
Yeah?
That goes to your pressure relief valve.
Okay.
So if it works out, then I should be able to use this nipple off of it too and screw it into that. Because that should be 3/4 like, that one should be 3/4 like this.
What's up?
How much?
What the hell's he doing?
Nothing.
I was fixing my hair.
As far as live action,
Well, it's live action? How much fun is that?
me. I'm that fun.
I am gonna take the mint though.
The pizza's in the refrigerator.
I gotta make it so hard to open it.
Don't ever try the chicken and ranch one. It's disgusting.
Chicken ranch what? Pizza?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sounds gross.
It's just that pizza should not even be concluded with chicken
Good advice.
or ranch. Stop bouncing on the bubble.
I don't like it.
It's not bad.
Okay.
I don't know. It's forward. I'm gonna call it in.
Yeah.
But
Say you get that 6 mil floating floor. Looks like hardwood. Cut this all up, put some new wood down and everything. I could lay that floor on that day. But everything's got to be out of the kitchen completely in order to do it. Still be laid down in the day.
Dan Claude laid this whole damn floor.
Hmm?
Dan Claude laid this whole floor.
I bet you guys did it pretty quick too.
Hmm?
I bet you did it pretty quick too.
Yeah, that's all
You
right.
know what he's doing, you know.
Yeah, he had to redo the hallway after, he set it on fire.
Wait, he set it on
You
fire?
shitting me? Really? How'd that happen?
He dropped the piano,
He
please.
got the pan of grease,
Oh yeah, man, I'm done.
and it splashed back and got him.
Wait, so is that why there's burn marks on his arm?
But how did it light on fire? Just dropping it because it was hot.
It splashed. And my dad's always had a bunch of shit in the hallway, like
Hey, that's a bunch of clothes in there.
Hey,
Well, my clothes.
and mine.
all I seen was flame. Cause I had that room at the time,
Mm-hmm.
and James was just a baby. And all I seen was flames, and I grabbed James up our random living room, still half asleep, and I'm just like, James is freaking out.
Oh yeah.
And my dad's like, I think we need to go to the hospital.
How about putting out the fire first?
Fire first,
He was
hospital
always
second.
nonchalant about that.
Yeah.
Cut his thumb off. Stacy, get in the car.
That's what I did.
You and Stacy get in the car. About like midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. Why?
Right.
Oh, I cut my thumb off. I need to go to the emergency room. I'm gonna drop you off at Love's. You guys just sit there until I get done.
That's what happened when I chopped my thumb off right here. I just grabbed it, tried to stick it back on, said, Brett? I said, yeah, I said, I think I'm gonna go to the hospital. Why? And I opened my hand up and blood squirting out everywhere. He's going, oh my God! Ripped off his t-shirt and got a big old Q-tip.
Yeah, that's like one of the guys out there at the job who went in the nurse's station, made a Band-Aid.